Welcome home, home made by you. Welcome home, home made by you. Welcome home.
Thanks for watching my video. Many times we see a video product but we wonder if the device is really good, or what is the price? Our mission is to find the updated products for you, with a realistic review from the real buyers and with a day price. So you can have the total view. Please, leave feedback if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more interesting videos.
Having a messy windshield doesn't just look bad, it's also a safety hazard. Windshield Wow is designed with strong, flexible magnets that conform to the shape of your windshield to ensure the entire surface is clean, both inside and out. Packaged in a convenient gift box, Windshield Wow is easy to assemble. Just place the paddles onto the included microfiber cloths and spray the cloth with your desired cleaning solution. Then place the paddles on the exterior and interior of your windshield and watch as the paddles move together simultaneously. Windshield Wow's revolutionary technology allows you to reach every corner of your windshield, and you can attach the extension handle to give you even more reach for larger windshields.
What are these girls doing? They're taking a stand against inequality. They're also taking a whiz. That's how they're taking a stand. Meanwhile, she has been forced to sit in an uncomfortable, immobile, and vulnerable position, bound at the ankles or knees by her skirt, pants, or panties. Often on toilets so disgusting that only the tedious process of mummifying John makes them tolerable. Men turn their backs on us and go wherever and whenever they want, while women have to either wait for a usually nasty bathroom or get out of sight and then drop, squat, and squirt. Does this look equal to you? We're both just peeing. Female friends everywhere, for years you have not been able to pee freely, but today you are free to pee as you please. With the great equalizer of men and women, Ms. Wiz. Ms. Wiz is a female urination device, the modern woman's weapon against inequality and unsanitary toilets. She's the quick, clean, comfortable way to go when you can't or don't want to sit. Just hold Ms. Wiz over your business and you're in business. You be the hero. Enjoy the freedom to pee standing up. Ms. Wiz loves the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, skiing, biking, boating, whatever, well, Annie, get your good. no more interrupted fun to go find the bathroom. With Ms. Wiz, all you have to do is learn how to aim. If you couldn't stand going to the bathroom before, we guarantee you can stand going to the bathroom now.
Meet Grandma Rose. Since getting her ProPad, she's been able to spend hours in her garden free from the pain of aching joints. This is her son, Robert, plumber by trade, mischievous by reputation. Robert loves to be helpful to his mother, but he also loves her ProPad. It's multifunctional, so he can use it indoors and outdoors for all kinds of home repairs or any job where he has to kneel. This is Robert's wife, Kate, a young mother and a master in the art of misdirection. Kate loves that ProPad is water resistant.
Introducing the all-new Upright Go S. A gentle reminder to stand up straight, track progress, and set daily goals. Create cognitive awareness that empowers behavior change. It's about more than just good health. It's about being the best version of yourself.
My name is Samora Suber. I am from New Orleans, but I live in Los Angeles. I am the founder of SamoraLife.com, where I teach yoga, meditation, and I'm a life coach. Having the right posture or alignment really allows you to breathe better, to breathe deeper. It also releases a lot of tension so that you're starting to feel a lot more present.
A loud screech, an ugly scratch, and a deep gash. Furniture legs can scar your floors, costing you a lot of cash. Now there's Ruby Sliders, the new chair leg covers that protect your floors, prevent scratching, and slide with ease without all the noise. They fit snugly on most size legs and glide across any floor. Now you can move even your largest furniture with no effort at all, keeping your floors looking beautiful for years, guaranteed. With Ruby Sliders, any furniture will slide and glide effortlessly. A heavy person in a chair can scratch up your floor, but even a child can push this large man with Ruby Sliders. And look, no scratches. Regular felt gets worn and easily falls off, but Ruby Sliders feature an ultra-tight nano-weave material attached with an industrial-strength adhesive to the cover, so they're built to last. Look, we attached vice grips to a Ruby Slider on this heavy stool. Ruby Sliders held tight.